Thank you for your usual support. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy okra soup, and these are my ingredients that I'll be using for this. I think it's not all the ingredients are actually filmed, but all the same, you get to see all the ingredients I use for this recipe. So I forgot to film my mushroom. Forgive me for that, but you get to see. Okay. I will be using goat meat for this recipe, so I'll be going in with my onions, my pepper, seasoning cubes, spices, salt to taste, and then stir and give this a good mix. Okay, I will be going in with my mushroom, which is the signature for today's recipe. Yes, I'll be going with my mushroom and then my fish, and then I'm going to stir this for a little while. So in another pot, I'll be adding my red oil, my onions, and my chopped tomato. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe and also like my videos. Thank you very much. So at this point, I'll be adding my meat, my periwinkle, and my crayfish. And I'm going to give this a good mix. So for my okra, I want it to be a little bit slimy. So that's why I'm adding this hot water, just to make it come out the way I want. So I'll be whisking this for a minute, and I'm going to add this to my pot, stir it to combine, and my soup is almost ready. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my spinach and my uziza leaf, and I'll give this a good mix. Oh, my soup is ready. Yes. Thank you for watching till this point, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Stay glued to this channel and like my video. Thank you very much, and see you next in my next video. Bye.